his and hers. $400 lumens max, 60 hours. Really? So we see they work straight from the packet, not even open the packet up. Double click. Oop, oop. There we go. Oop, down. Strobe. Slow strobe, I presume, is it? And then hold off. 400 lumens, 60 hours max. Okay, let's have a look. Daytime, all weather. So what's that say? OptiCube, side visibility, low battery indicator, FlexTight, 2-year warranty. Put on your bike, put on your bike. Okay, let's put one down. Which one? Here we go. High, 2 hours at 400 lumens. Low, 4 hours at 200 lumens. Daytime HyperConstant, 6 hours, 400 to 200 lumens. Flashing, 60 hours. I suppose in emergency, that's pretty good at 200 lumens. Okay. Charging time, which is French as well, durée de charge, approximately 4 at 1 amp and 8 hours at 0.5 of an amp. Turns on high modes with double click and power button. Light mode memory. Active is mode, whatever that says. Right. So it's by Cateye. Okay, so one for me and one for Jane. And we'll give it a test later on when it gets dark, and we'll see what they're like. Pretty good so far. I like them. Let's get one out of the box, shall we? So let's see what we get in the box. All right. Come on. Ooh, right. Bike clip. Oh, that's quite handy. It's almost like a Jubilee clip. Clever. Dodgy little USB charger. It's USB. Oops. So you get your warranty card and instruction booklets in multi-languages. Australian, Belgium. Okay. Representing. There's your charge port. Easy to clip on and clip off by the look of it. Just slide in. I presume. There we go. And off. Tidy. Don't think that moves, so I'm not going to touch that. And then on. God, it's quite bright. That's strobe, so it's memory. Low, slow strobe. Oh, it's making my camera go really weird. And then on, and then long, press for half. Okay, I'm gonna whap these on, whack this one on charge, and we'll have a test later on this evening. Well, that's just a piece of foam. Okay. And to fit the holder to the bike. It doesn't matter which way that goes on. Just I'm using one hand here. So this is the front of the bike. know it sounds daft and you're probably thinking, oh, I'm not stupid, but just keep tightening it up. It's a very good fit actually. Okay. You see by the base as well, because we'll give us a test in a bit. It's getting dark. And that's it. I'm going to pull it off. Beautiful. There we go. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. That's a very slight glimmer of the diesel heater light. So I'm going to test this Cateye out. That's what they call them. So I'm in the gym. You can't see a thing. Where are we? Let me just back off. Right, here we go. Well, that is what I call bright. Anyway, we'll go in the garden and have a look in a minute. And then you've got another setting, which is strobe. Oh, it might not be bright yet then. Hold on. Because it remembers the last setting. And then that's another stroby one. And that's full. Let's have a look. So this is the push bike. It's not gone on there. So it's raining. Yeah, I mean, you're on your push bike. I wouldn't like to be a car coming the other way, but that is brilliant. I presume it's got another... that's the low setting, there you go. I mean, that's 4 hours. Is it 4 hours or 6 hours, that one? I did say in the video. And then you got strobe. And then this one, that's 60 hours, I believe. And then we got bright. There we go. So yeah, very impressed with it. Yep, you'll definitely see where you're going with this thing. Alright, thank you very much. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next vid. All the best.